whole thing I wanted to do was I wanted to fucking set this right here, okay, and then I was going to take it and I was going to put it on like I do every morning. Wow.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, we can leave now. Now we're waiting on Aaron because Aaron's taking so long. Come on, Aaron. Actually, today we're just going to go straight down the stairs. Wow, what a transition. Look at Slick. Look how slick he is. Dylan, what's up, Jake? Do you have a problem? Shit. Aaron's getting naked. Alright, Aaron. Hey, Aaron. Say hi to me. This is such a great honeymoon, guys. Why are you so mean to me, Jake? I could walk around like this the whole time.
Let's stop.
I hate this kid. Han Solo's dead. I think we're. I bet you that place is full of a bunch of dust. Jake. What if I fell?
Then I would have laughed and let you sit there.
Yikes. It's not swings and things. It's not paddlefish, I don't think. Is it that way?
Yes, that way.
Is it a restaurant?
Yeah.
So it's not like one of these outdoor things?
No.
Okay. The fact you see it already like concerns me then.
Can't see the name here, but I could see where the restaurant is.
Oh, is it Filthy Rich? Are you trying to tell me someday I'm going to be Filthy Rich, Aaron? Oh, is it the dinosaur thing? Are you taking me to an Ark Restaurant?
You'll see. If you want to just keep walking around, I don't care.
Can we make a reservation for later?
I don't know.
Oh, I guess we will find out. We'll wait till we get up to the check line and then we'll decide. Dinosaur place, and Aaron's like, Dylan will love it. Oh, crazy. Jake, shut up. I'll literally end your existence with one swift finger. Hi, we have 3. Is there a wait for that? Or okay, how long do you have? 3, yeah. 5-10 minutes, okay. Where do we wait at?
I'll give you a ticket. You guys can just hang on next door, and I'm going to call you back.
Oh, so, okay. Dylan. All right, thank you. Thank you. It was actually pretty awkward. I mean, what? Wow. You see its stubby arms? That's definitely a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Got it. What if I drop this right now? Oh, I'm jumping in if I drop this. That actually looks really fun to swim in. I'm getting real nervous, Jake. I feel like things are going to escalate. Good old buffering. Seems like we are in a hotel. Oh, hey, Jake, look. I'm using my GoPro again. He rolled his eyes at me.
Is that like on me?
It was on both of us, but you're really far away. You were what? Oh. Well, I didn't. I'm being a chef. Making gourmet meals here. Fuck no, man down. This might actually work.
There was a little girl crying.
Yeah.
And then this time there was a little girl ends it all. There's a little girl crying and she took a Nerf gun, turned it around and shot herself in the head with the dark.
I've seen that one before. Oh my god, I managed to not burn myself. I'm a fucking genius. And they're warm. I did a good job.